Hi, my name is Kennelly Davies, and this is my submission for my 112 term project called TCG Trader. And so what this is a website for players of trading card games to find other people to trade with. And so the way this works is you'll start off by making an account, and and once you have your account, you need to set up your trade binder. Each trade binder consists of two parts. One section is your halves, and the other section of your wants. In your halves, you specify the cards that you have available to trade. In your wants, you list all the cards that you're looking to trade for. And so the way that this website works is the system. When you click on Find Trades, the system will go through your binder and search for other players who have the cards that you want. So let's begin by registering an account. And in order to do that, you're going to have to mouse over to the left sidebar and click the link which says register. So clicking this will take us to our account registration page, where you'll just follow the instructions which read, fill out the following information to register an account. And by registering an account, you can begin to connect with other traders. So let's create an account for our fictional guy, John Doe. And for his username, we'll just use his first name, John. First name is John, last name is Doe. He'll have an email address of johndoe@yahoo.com. Password, we'll keep it simple with password. And he'll live at 5115 Margaret Morrison Street, zip code 15213 in the state of Pennsylvania. And so once we filled out all the information in our form, hit enter or click submit. And if our form submission was successful, we'll be redirected to the login page, where we can log in with our newly created account. And if you remember, our username was John with a password of password. So we'll enter that all in and hit enter or click login. And if our login is successful, which it was, you'll see in the top left corner, we're now logged in as John, and we now have all these links, seeing as we are an authenticated user. So once you've created an account, you need to populate your binder. And remember, your binder has two main sections, your halves and your wants. Your halves is a list of cards that you're looking to trade, and your wants is a list of the cards that you're looking to trade for. So you can go and view your binder by mousing over to the left sidebar again and clicking the link that says My Binder. And so this will take you to the page that lists your halves. And as you can see right now, this page is empty. You can click My Wants to go to the page that lists your wants. And again, this page is also empty. So let's start by filling these pages out. And just click Edit Binder. Will take you to a page where you can add cards to your list of halves. And so let's say I have a Noble Knight Gualcavad, ultra rare, and 3 copies of this that I'm looking to trade. So I can hit add card, and that will add it to my binder, as you can see right here. And let's say I also have 3 Noble Arms of Destiny that are common. And I'll hit add card, and as you can see, the card is added to my binder. So now that we have cards in our halves list, we also want to update the list of cards that we're looking to trade for. And so we can do that by clicking on My Wants. This will take us to our wants list, and right now this is empty, but we can change this by clicking Edit Wants. And let's say that we're tired of playing with Noble Knight cards and we want to trade for some Battling Boxers. Specifically 3 Battling Boxer Glassjaws. 3 rare. And we'll add that to our wants. And we're also looking for 2 super rare battling boxer switch hitters. So we'll add that also to our wants. And as you can see, um, they're here right now, added to our wants list. But let's say that we actually didn't mean to add switch hitter. We wanted a different battling boxer card. We can just hit delete, and that will remove switch hitter from our list, and we can replace it with 2 counter punches. Again, 2 common counter punches. So we'll hit add card, and we now have battling boxer counter punch added to our wants list. Go back to view wants, and you can see it. Alright, so in the interest of time, I've gone into the database and specified another user, Sauce, who has both the battling boxer glass jaw and counter punch that we said we wanted, and the rarities that we said we wanted them in. And in addition to that, he also has a battling boxer switch hitter for trade. Now, if we go and look at Sauce's wants, we'll see that his only pertinent want here, if we filter, is the ultra rare Noble Knight Welkovat that we said we had for trade. Alright, so now that we have cards added to both our haves and wants lists in our binder, we can start looking for potential trades by mousing over to the left sidebar and clicking find trades. And so what the system's done now is gone through our haves list and searched for users who both have cards on our wants list and want cards on our haves list. And so we found the user Sauce, who is looking for our Noble Knight Welkovat and has a battling boxer glass jaw and counter punch that we're looking for. And so on this page, we can specify which cards of ours we are willing to trade for Sauce's cards. So maybe I only want to trade the Welkovat for the glass jaw. So I can select those 2 cards using their checkboxes and hit request trade. And so we're taken to a confirmation page just to double check that this is really what we want to do. And since we're sure, we'll hit confirm trade. And so now this trade is now under pending status, pending approval from Sauce. So if Sauce logs in, sees this as his incoming trade, and decides that it's something that he's up for, he'll hit accept, and it'll move to an active trade.